Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can control another PC using Quick Assist on Windows 11. Quick Assist is a built-in Windows tool that allows you to provide remote assistance to another computer. First, click on the Start button. In the search box, type Quick Assist. Now click on Quick Assist to open the application. Once Quick Assist opens, click on Help Someone. After clicking Help Someone, Quick Assist may ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. As you can see, the Microsoft sign-in page is now displayed. For this tutorial, I'm not going to sign in or enter any personal account information. I'm only showing you where this option appears. Normally, after signing in, Quick Assist can provide a security code for starting a remote assistance session. The person on the other computer can enter this code in Quick Assist. After the connection is established and the required permissions are accepted, the assistant may be able to view the other computer's screen and interact with it. This can be useful when helping someone troubleshoot a Windows problem, change a setting, install software, or complete a simple task remotely. However, remote control should only be used with someone you know and trust. Before allowing remote access, make sure the other person understands what is happening and close any private or sensitive information from your screen. For this demonstration, I'm not connecting to another computer, so I won't actually control another PC. I'm simply showing you how to access Quick Assist and where the remote assistance process begins. So the basic steps are simple. Open Quick Assist, click Help Someone, sign in when required, and follow the instructions to establish a trusted remote assistance session. And that's how Quick Assist can be used to control or assist another PC remotely. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.